Hey guys, this is Falon, and today I'm gonna read my childhood book. It's called All My Little Ducklings, and it's made by Monica Wellington. So, let's read. All my little ducklings, waking with the light. Waddle to the water. Scurry, hurry, plunk. Heads are in the water, tails are to the sun. Topsy-turvy, upside down, dibble, dibble, dabble. Go, my little ducklings, wander, wander, ramble, roam. Wibble wobble in the woods, pitter patter scatter. Plunk plonk, splish splosh. Back for one more swim. All my little ducklings muddle through the reeds. Mumble, stumble, bump. Cuddle, nuzzle, snuggle, sleeping in our nest. And on the back of the book, it says, plink, plunk, splish, splash, wiggle, waggle, quack. Little ones will love these little ducklings. Anyway, guys, I hope you like it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll make more videos of me reading books like these. Toodaloo!